MBTA commuter rail, Fitchburg line. This is a direct and convenient option, taking approximately 1 hour and 3 minutes from North Station in Boston to the Ayer station. The train journey offers scenic views as it passes through various towns and landscapes of eastern Massachusetts. Ayer's train station is located downtown, making it easily accessible upon arrival. Nestled in a desirable neighborhood, 4 Curley Circle presents a wonderful opportunity to own a charming home in a sought-after location. This inviting property offers a blend of comfort and convenience, perfect for those looking to embrace suburban living with easy access to local amenities. Step inside and discover the potential this lovely residence has to offer. Ascend to the second floor to find a flexible space. Envision a cozy family retreat, a productive study, or even a potential additional bedroom, adapting effortlessly to your evolving needs. The recently updated walkout basement unveils a sprawling open concept expanse, brimming with untapped potential. Picture a lively recreation hub, a dedicated home office, or a well-appointed fitness studio with seamless outdoor access. For the automotive enthusiast or those seeking ample storage, the convenience of the high-clearance 2-car garage is a significant asset. Beyond the inherent allure of this exceptional property, residents will revel in unparalleled commuter convenience, with effortless access to major thoroughfares and the Ayer commuter rail station, simplifying the rhythm of daily travel. 4 Curley Circle offers a lifestyle, a harmonious blend of modern elegance, natural beauty, and convenient accessibility. Do not let this extraordinary opportunity pass to own. Comfort and convenience, perfect for those looking to embrace suburban living with easy access to local amenities. Step inside and discover the potential this lovely residence has to offer.